Hi everyone, this is Miss Edwards. I heard we were having a little bit of trouble understanding how we need to write our sounds in there. It's very simple and I wrote down some directions over here if you need to help. You can insert a text box, but I rather you do the scribble so that you can write it in the speech bubbles. So the way that you're going to do that is you're going to go up here. Now next to this cursor, there's a line. You're going to click it, and then there's going to be a drop down menu. You're going to scroll down to the scribble and you're going to click on the scribble, okay? And then you can write the sounds. You can write it in here, okay? You can, and then it'll come up. So you can write it, right, and then it'll come up. All right, just like that. It'll fix the letters for you, and then you are all set. And when you're done, you're gonna click the turn in button, which is over here. I don't have it shown. I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you need any more help, I am here. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.